Hey, welcome to Human Resource Machine. Uh, I, this is another game by uh, Tomorrow Corporation, which are kind of the same makers as 3D, not 3D, World of Goo. I think. I'm still confused on how that whole thing works out. I think it's like the same guy who started both, and it's basically the same thing. It's nothing really, it's just semantical. But yeah, we're gonna play Human Resource Machine. So today is election day. I thought, what better way to celebrate that than office work? Yay! Yeah. But anyway, I like this game. This is a fun game. It's basically programming. I played it all the way through once. I don't remember the story, and I don't remember any solutions. I just remember it's programming, and that's it. It's fun. And there's a sequel. Like 7 million humans, 7 billion humans. I never get that name right. I never get it right, but yeah, 7 billion humans. That is the sequel I've been wanting to play, so I want to do that on stream because it's basically this game, but I believe parallel processing. So that sounds like fun. And yeah, I wanted to go through this first. There's additional. I do remember there's additional paths you can take for like harder stuff instead of just the critical path, the way to go. And I don't know if I'll be able to do those. Those are kind of tough. I love this music. It's pretty good. Yeah, this is just a good time. Tomorrow Corporation and their games are just a really fun time. There's something about the style, the music they had to it that just makes it whimsical with a dark edge to it. Like World of Goo is like these cartoony little blobs that stick to each other, but in the background, their species is dying. So, yeah, but I'll get to some of the other ones. By some of the other ones, I mean 7 billion humans and also Little Inferno. I'll probably save Little Inferno around the Christmas time because it's like a Yule log sort of thing. Maybe I'll start that up in December. We'll see. But yeah, for right now, we're gonna do a Human Resource Machine. We're gonna absolutely crush it because I'm kind of good at programming. Not to brag. There's something I wanted to do for streams is actually do some programming. Relearn Python because I don't remember any of it. Do some wacky stuff. Maybe figure out how I can hook things into OBS because I don't know how to do that at all. I gotta sit down and like learn that off stream so I can don't look like a complete idiot when I attempt to do it. But yeah. We're going to get into some programming, not right here. This is going to be pseudo programming. This is closer to pseudocode, if anything. Oh, maybe basic. I don't know. I never learned basic. Anyway, let's get into it. This is going to be a good time. Yeah, I guess that's it. Human Resource Machine. Oh. Yes, please select your employee ID. Did I just click through something? Hang on. Did I? Oh. Hang on, I just want to see. Did I just skip through something? 1 second. And you can actually be able to see the logo. Oh. No, not yet. Oh, there it is. Oh, I missed the logo. It's fine. It's Tomorrow Corporation logo. Oh, no. Okay. I thought it was... I thought they said something right before that. I accidentally skipped through it because I clicked twice. It's fine. Don't worry about it. Let's go middle. Which one's me? I usually go with this guy. Just because he's very plain looking. There's not a whole lot of options. Basically red, green, black, blue, green, black, red. I was like, it's like RGB basically. I never actually realized that. I'm kind of tempted to do this. Nah, I'll stick with the black. Employee 2. Alright, hold on. We are not employee 2. Didn't know that was gonna be a thing. I thought it let us name them. It's been a minute. Oh, you already saved it? Oh, I can delete it. Yes, bye-bye. I'd never deleted a thing before. That was actually scary. Alright. We're employee 1. Alright. Him? Yep. Here's your badge. Proceed to the elevator. Mailroom. Welcome, employees. Year 1. Welcome to your first day. Oh, you know what'd be helpful is you guys being able to see my cursor. There we go. Anyway, you can know where I'm pointing. Welcome to your first day. You look like an excellent instruction follower. You know what? I think I am. Your first job your first job will appear over there on the right side in a moment. Remember, you can always ask me for help. Yeah. So we just... Alright, I don't really want to go through the tell me more thing, because it's just going to explain stuff, probably. Oh, we'll try one. You put it all together, list commands over there on the right side, then press the big play button and see what will happen. What? What will happen? Office life is truly unpredictable. Full surprises. I've been here for 24 years. Yes, thank you. One day you can be just like me. But for now, back to work! Okay, maybe I will. You just repeat the thing if I do hello again? Oh, yeah, you just... Okay. You just inbox, outbox. I know it wants you to run it like this. You're like, oh, why didn't it work? This is like the only thing I remember. Not enough, it is. Management expected a total of 3 items, not 1. Alright. So yeah, we just gotta move. Then move. Move. I always kinda want to do block kind of programming like this. Or blueprint or whatever. I really want to try out at some point. Alright. Sip of water while it's processing. Yay! Your presence is requested on the next floor. Busy mailroom. Well, it looks like you made it this far. Congratulations on your promotion. Most people stress out and quit before making it this far. I can tell you have a bright future in inbox outbooks management. Here's your new assignment. Your new command is very powerful. You can drag your jump arrow forward within your program to skip entire sections, or you can jump backwards to create loops. It's going to change everything. Alright. This is very simple. Boom. Alright. Speed it up. Boots. Sequence. Boot sequence. Nice. Copy floor. Oh no! The inbox conveyor system is completely broken. Well, that doesn't mean we get to take a break from work. Hello, maintenance department? Our conveyor system is broken up here. Productivity is down 40%. Yes. Yes. Wait a minute. We'll see about that. Click. Well, the maintenance department says it's working fine down there. I feel that a little bit. Alright. What do you want? You want bug. So we don't want anything from this garbage. We just want to copy 4. Outbox that. We want to copy U and outbox that. And we want to copy G and outbox that. Go. Don't even want to touch these. Alright. We're cruising now. It's gonna slow down to a grind at some point. Scrambler handler. A, B becomes C. The conveyor system is fixed. Just in time to get to work. It only took like what, a year? The data won't collate itself. First things second. Second things first. Ugh. Things happen in and out of order in a constant source of anxiety in my life. Did we already talk about this? Maybe we already did. Or maybe we will, and maybe we will a long time from now. It's all the same to me. Alright, what do you want? Grab the first 2 things from the inbox and drop them into the outbox in reverse order. Repeat this until outbox is empty. Okay. So we are going to inbox, we're going to copy to 0. We are going to inbox, we are going to outbox, and then we are going to copy from 0, and then we are going to outbox, and we are going to repeat this. Big brain! Coffee time! Whole year of coffee. Oh, yes, oh! Oh, this coffee's delicious. Oh.
Back to work, everyone.
Oh.
Regions of the city continue to experience power failure. Local authorities are investigating.
Uh-oh. Something sinister is happening in the background. Alright. Rainy summer. Yep, rainy. Welcome to my personal rain cloud. I was never very good at math, since I only have 3 fingers on each hand. He's right. I hear you don't actually need to know very much about math to complete these assignments. Yeah? You only need to know how to do them. You don't have to be able to do them. Only how to do them. Do a good job. Our careers depend on this. Okay. For each 2 things in inbox, add them together and put the result in outbox. Okay. So we're going to inbox. We're going to not copy from. Copy to 0. And we're going to then inbox. I forget how exactly add works. I think it's gonna work how I think it is. And then we outbox that. And then repeat. Okay, it did work how I thought it would. go. 6 years of our life. Gone. Alright. I guess you're supposed to do this before this. Let's try the triplet room. This should be hard. Who are you? This optional area is for high-performing employees only. Is that you? Well, you're late. 7 years late. We need to make some changes around here. I want to see 100% performance increase. From this point, your performance will be evaluated with extra scrutiny. Alright, for each item in the inbox, triple it. Alright. So we're going to inbox? Oh, let's say. What? Yes, I am indeed the author of the award-winning novel, The Terrible Secret. What was the award? It was Outstanding Award for Technical Excellence. I suspect because the pages were glued together so meticulously. Yes, thank you. Back to work. Oh yeah, so now we have these optional things. I've never been able to really do these things right. I don't know if you get anything for them. I'm gonna look that up. Do you actually get anything for them? Or is it just these are the optional things? Optional completion distinction. Oh, well, there's a GitHub for all the solutions. You get anything for this? I'm not finding anything, so I guess no. Alright, we're not gonna worry about that. Alright, we're gonna inbox. We are going to then copy to here. We are then going to add here. And then we're gonna add here. And then we're going to outbox it, and that's it. Easy. Did it, both of them. I did. We'll come across it later, but I do like how in this game, like I could have just there was a 0 in there, and if I just somehow just put that in because tripling 0 is still 0. It can say like your solution worked, but it won't work with all input. So do it again. So it's like there's a background process that also tests it, which I think is cool. All right. Oh, okay. We are supposed to go. Is this really just? Oh, I didn't do the best here. Hang on. Hold up. Hold up. The second one, I didn't do the best. How can I optimize this further? "30 steps? It wouldn't. Hang on. Oh yeah, I have these tabs up here that I can do other code for. It wouldn't, right? It wouldn't, right? Paste. Can I paste? No. I need to do, but I'm just curious. This is like, they didn't actually do this, right? Five more. Is this really the lesser steps? Does jump take 2 steps? Oh wow, yeah, you just copy it. That's lazy programming right there. Yeah, okay. No, I did that. I'm not, okay, not focusing on that anymore. All right, now on we're gonna go right to left, right to left, right to left. 0 exterminator. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Or 10 years? I have a note here from your other bosses that says, from this point on, your performance will be evaluated with extra scrutiny. What a treat. You can always ask me to show you the optimization challenges for current assignment. Oh yes, yeah, I was supposed to do this first. It's fine. Oh, it's 0. Send all things that are not 0 to the outbox. Okay, well that's easy. Perfect. Nice. Alright, 0 preservation initiative. It's come to our attention that 0 adequacy groups, 0 advocacy, gosh, mess up that word, community felt the previous assignment was not inclusive. This time send only zeros to the inbox. Only zeros. No. Send only the zeros to the inbox. What happens to the other numbers and letters? Management leaves that detail up to you. Okay, well, inbox. If 0, go here. Then outbox it. Then jump back. But if it wasn't, we do over. Go. I am rushing this right now. It's gonna get harder. Yeah, I'm not gonna worry about that anymore. Like I know programming. Like I can't. I can do these sort of things. All right. Itchy. Octopolar Suite. We just plus 4. I mean, multiplying by 4. Yes, you can always check your own performance on each assignment's optimization challenges. 2 green lights next to each button in the elevator will tell you how you're doing. Is there anything in life more thrilling than self-improvement? I don't know. Mac and cheese might be pretty good. You might be wondering how you can self-improve if you're already perfect. Yeah. Oh, I know. Yes, I like to work on improving others. I find other people really appreciate that. All right. For each thing in the inbox, multiply it by 8. Oh, octo. Oh, that's 4. It's not 4, that's 8. And put in the result. Okay. Using a bunch of add commands is easy, but wasteful. And you do it using only 3 add commands. Management is watching. Yes, because it's a multiple of 8. I know it's a multiple of 2. So, we can take it. We can not copy from, copy to there. We can add to that, copy to that. Add there. Yes. Copy to there. Add. Boom. And that should be good. Easy. Oh, perfect. Nice. All right. Sub hallway. Subtraction? I never learned that in school. Did you? We're a good team. Okay. If I have 6 apples, you take 2 apples away, what do we have? Yes, a workplace theft incident. What do we want? For each two things in the inbox, first subtract the first one from the second and put the result in the outbox. And then subtract the second from the first and put the result in the outbox. Repeat. Okay. So we're gonna inbox, we're going to copy 2 here. That's gonna be our first one. We're going to then inbox, we're gonna copy 2. That's gonna be our second one. We're already currently holding on to the second one. So we're gonna have to now we could save a little bit. We could make this. Oh, not sub. We can make 2 the subtract second. Oh, subtract the first from the second. So we're going second minus first. Okay. Oh, this is way easier than I thought. All right, so we're holding on to the second right now. We're gonna sub that from the first. We're gonna outbox that, and then we're gonna copy from first, and we're gonna sub that from the second. And then we're gonna outbox that, and then we're gonna repeat to our heart's content. Easy. Oh, and perfect. Let's go. All right, Tetracondylar? This is multiplied by 40? What a wonderful feeling. When all your work over the last few years all comes together. It culminates in a well-executed assignment. Yes, even when the product of our labor is dumped into a waste bin in the next room. The important thing is that we take pride in a well-executed process. All right, for each yep, multiply it by 40. Okay. 40 is not divisible by 2. I mean, it's not a square, or it's not a thing to power to 2. See, I told you I was gonna get stumpy. How do we do this? How do we do this? We got 4 variables to work with. 4 variables. Variables to work with. Two, 4, 8, 16, 32. I think of those that divide into 40 or 4. I could do this like a bad way. I could multiply something by 8 and then multiply it by 5. That seems like the best approach. It's not a good approach, but it seems like the best approach. Alright, so we're gonna inbox, we're going to copy 2 there. And then we're going to add it there. And we're gonna copy it there. And then we're gonna add it there. And we're gonna copy it to there. And then we're gonna add it there. Okay, that gives us multiply by 8. And then I guess just add this 4 more times? Alright, this may, or whoops, this may or may not work. So hang on, wait. So 2 times that, it should be 80. Alright, times 2, times 4. I just need an extra... One, 2, 4, 8. No, how do I multiply it by 5? Oh wait, no, I think I need one more copy. Alright. So this should be, what? 200? Yeah, okay, well now we got it. See, you don't know how to, you don't need to know, you don't need to be able to do the math, you just need to know how to do the math. Oh, it's perfect too. Awesome. Equalization room. Hello. Sometimes, some numbers are bigger than other numbers. What? And sometimes, they are the same. What? Oh, look, I didn't think I was gonna walk into work today and get my mind blown. Alright. How can we know? I read that... I read about that there is this great book, Which Number Are You? For the Aspirational Zero. You can borrow it later. Alright. I kind of already know how to do this. Not the solution, but I get what they want me to do. You're doing just fine. I don't have a favorite employee. I enjoy supervising them all equally. Okay. Hello world. We can now do comments. Finally. Oh, it's great. Bye-bye. Oh, okay. I don't. No. Thank you. I don't want you in there right now. Wait, can I undo? I can. I'll leave the hello in world in there. Alright. So, how do we know if it's, the same? Well, we are going to take our number that we get. We're going to copy it there just to hold on to, you know, as a treat. We are then going to sub itself. If this is 0, we're going to go do a thing. If not, wait, what do you want to output? If they are equal, put one of them in them. Okay. Wait. Oh, get 2 things. Okay, sorry. Sorry. We got to inbox one more thing. If it's 0, go do this. If not, we are going to do it all again. And we're good. We're going to just copy it because they're the same. And we're going to outbox it. And we are done. We're going to do it all again. What do you mean 28? Maybe switch those around? What do you mean 28? I don't know. Oh, I don't know. We did it. I don't know. Oh yeah. Oh, we were actually already halfway through this. Okay, this is definitely gonna get harder. There's no way I'm gonna be able to do these sort of things. I hear this one's really hard. I don't think I ever got there. But yeah, we'll get there. Maximization room. What does that mean? There's been a change of plans. The accounting department has determined that treating all numbers equally is no longer profitable. Management wants the big numbers only. What? Grab 2. Oh, hang on. I don't really care which numbers are bigger or smaller. I get paid the same no matter what. Thank you. You understand me. Grab 2 things from the inbox and put only the bigger of the 2 in the outbox. If they are equal, just pick one. Just pick either one. Repeat. Okay. You got a new command. Jumps only if the things you're holding is negative. Less than 0. Otherwise continues the same line. Okay, so we are going to inbox. We're going to copy to 0. We're going to then inbox. we are going to sub that. Now, we want the bigger number. So sub that. If it's negative, that means the number on the ground is the biggest. Let me outbox that. Alright, alright. Easy. If it is 0 or above, it doesn't matter which. Zero or above. We'll just add the... No. That doesn't make sense. Yes, it does. Does it? I have a 2 and a 1. Let's say 2 and a 3. So first, second. I put 1 down. I get 3. I minus 1, it's 2. I need to get back, so I need to add it back. And then I have 3 again. And I outbox that. If they're both 3s, they're 0. I just have to add it back. That's easy. If they're both, if it's a 4 and a 3, minus that, I'm at -1. So I copy that. Yeah, this should work. Oh, and it jumped to redo it all. Yeah! And perfect. Awesome. Employee morale insertion. Oh, no.
And that, ladies, is how I saved a bundle on my long-distance telephone service. Back to work, everyone.
I say. Tell me.
A massive army of machines has surrounded the city. The machines are not moving, and they are not communicating. Local authorities are investigating.
Oh. It's the machine. Welcome to the machine. I think that's right. Alright, again, we'll go right to left. 16, 17. Absolute positivity. Okay. Am I just gonna absolute these things? Aha! Positive attitudes were determined to increase productivity. And are now therefore mandatory. Smile! Management is watching. I would smile, but I don't have a mouth. Yeah, you're right. Alright, send each thing in the outbox. Send each thing from the outbox to the inbox. But if a number is negative, first remove its negative sign. Okay, that's easy. Easy. Just add those in real quick. If negative. Otherwise, jump over here. We are going to copy it to here. We are going to sub itself twice. That'll remove the negative sign. And that's it. I'm sorry, what? Oh, I put that in the wrong spot. That should be right there. Just walk through it for a second. And yep, and yep, and yep, yep. There we go. Yay! Nice. Oh, yeah, there's probably some way I can optimize this, but I don't know it. Yeah, I don't know it. Not gonna worry about it. We just had a coffee break. Exclusive lounge. Yes, I've always felt comfortable with nice, cold, logical decisions. Emotional decisions are for the weak. This assignment is basic Boolean logic operation. Oh, okay, cool. I'm not 100% great with that. It's called XOR, exclusive OR. Okay, so that is this or this, but not the same. Exclusive OR. Armed with this new information, you may research independently if you like. Yes, I know it is. Some of the more crazy ones I get confused with. Ah, water. Delicious nectar of the gods. Alright, send a 0 to the outbox if they have the same sign. Both positive or both negative. Send a 1 outbox if their signs are different. And I have a 0 and a 1 ready for me. How kind of them. Alright. Alright, we're inboxing twice, but what to do with that? We're gonna copy this to 0, I guess. Now we have to compare them some way. How are we going to compare? What is this? Oh. See, this is where it's gonna get stumpy. How do we tell if they have the same sign? I mean, I could definitely do it the sloppy way. Like, if negative, and probably even a third if negative. That doesn't sound right, though. Or is it? I can't. If I minus any number by itself, it's always 0. If I add any number to itself, it's always double. But that doesn't help the situation. I don't think add and subtract are going to really do anything. Is it just going to be a mess of jumps? Move my preview over to the left so it doesn't look like I'm looking super far to the right. Or to the left for you guys. I'm not gonna do that right now. Alright, how? I need a way of determining if something is negative or positive. How do I go about doing that? mean, I have jump there, if negative. But that's gonna be a mess. I guess we'll try the mess. Alright. I'm just gonna do this copy to 1 just because I might take it out, but so if okay, no need it. Hang on. If negative, so if my second thing is negative, Perplexing. Alright, so if what I'm holding is negative, we need to determine if the other thing is negative. How do I do that? Okay, hang on. No, that doesn't work. Let's give me an example. Okay, that's not helpful. Alright. I copy this to 0 just quick. I mean to 1 just real quick. Alright, if what I'm holding is a negative, then I copy from zero. This is why I don't think I need this. What I'm holding is negative. I copy from 0, and if it's negative, and we'll put a, oh god, negative. I didn't think it'd be that big. Positive. Alright, that didn't come out at all. I thought it would. Alright, so if this is negative, and that's negative, then it's negative. I mean, then this... No, this... we need... Same. Oh god, whoa, jeez. Same. Alright. So that means they're both negative. Go here. Same. No, this is stupid. Alright. Try this. If this is negative, we are going to copy from 0, just so we have something. And we're going to copy it to 2. Otherwise, we're going to copy from 0 and then put it there. All right. That's probably why they gave this list. Okay. Now we know what the sign is for this. If it's 0, then it's a positive. All right. I'm just gonna put that as a divider. Let's copy from here. And then if negative. Okay, hang on. I do need comments here. Negative. Okay. There. No, wait, no, that's over here. Alright, and this. Positive. Alright. Now then. Now then, second number. Or first number, I guess. I mean, I guess I just... Let's do that. What am I... Alright, inbox. If. Negative. If negative. Copy from here. Alright. And then copy it. No, not copy it. Sub it from here. So that means if it's a 0, if they were both zeros, it'd be 0 for result of minusing this. If they were both 1s, it'll be 0. If it's a 0 and a 1, it'll be a 1. I mean, it'll be a -0. If it's a 1 and a 0, it'll be a positive 1. Doesn't matter. We only care if it's 0. Otherwise, do something else. We're going to copy from there. Or copy from there. I think this is good. And we outbox. And we repeat. It's not going to be optimized. That's not what I wanted. Oh, I think I see where I screwed up here. So if it's negative, oh, it's gotta be right here. Just jump. It's gonna be right here. gotta jump here. Not there. Here. Over here. Get over that. Alright. It's working! No? Alright, where'd you go wrong? You went wrong in the logic here. Oh wait, I should be over here. You should be over here. Okay. Speaking of 0 and you got a 1. Uh-oh. The signs are different. If 0. Oh, I got these backwards. That's it. I think that's it. What? Expected 0. Hang on. Let me just kind of copy 2 and copy 2. This is just for my own sake. I swear I clicked the right place, but I guess I didn't. -9. It's a negative. Put it there. -1. It's a negative. Put it there. We have a 0. We grabbed a 0. And a... Okay, that's where that went wrong. Oh, I just need to jump over this. There we go. Alright, now it's working, so we can take out these copies, so we don't need them. They're just slowing down the program. Yeah! Oh! Feels so good. Oh, jeez, am I really that bad? There's something I could have done this way better? How? Okay, I think I might be getting into territory of, like, you can only do one of these. Like, this is going to be, like, very slow, and this will be fast, but a lot of commands. I don't know. I'm not worrying about it anymore. Moving on. No one's code is perfect. Sabbatical Beach Paradise. Why are we doing a coffee break right after a coffee break? Oh. Oh, yeah. So good to be on the beach. Feel the sun. The sea breeze. It's nice. Oh, is it? It's just a vacation? Okay. Countdown! Yes, welcome back! Tick, tick, tick. Time keeps ticking down. Time keeps ticking down. Let's get to work. Oh, yes. I love what you've done with your hair. I've lost my hair. What's the secret to eternal youth? Enjoying your work, feeling important, and proper sunscreen application. Alright, for each number in the inbox, send that number to the outbox, followed by all numbers down to or up to 0. It's a countdown. You've got new commands. Oh, I got bump. Got new commands. They add one or subtract one from an item on the floor. The result is given back to you. And for your convenience, you are also written back to the floor. Boom. Okay. So we're going to inbox. We are going to... Well, we're going to outbox it, right? Outbox that number. So yeah, that's quick. Oh wait, no, I need the number, so I need to copy it. We're going to then if negative, bump it. Otherwise, we're going to bump it. We're going an outbox. Repeat. If it's 0, just go to the outbox. Otherwise, do this. Bump it. No, I don't need that. And then we... Well, actually, we'll go back here. No, it's 0, we'll never get there. But no, we have nothing in our hand. We can't tell what's in our... what it is. I might be overthinking this. Alright, so... copy of that. Copy to that. If it's 0, we don't have to do anything. We just need to get to 0. Just outbox it. I think I need a copy from around here. Annoying to have, but I'm gonna have to jump to it. Negative. Oop, it should be a minus. Outbox it. Otherwise, outbox it. And maybe? We'll see how this works. You didn't bump it. Why didn't you bump it? No, stop it. Oh. That's you right there. Nope, that didn't work. No, this is swapped. Okay, we need one outboxing right here. But we need the first number. This is not optimized. I think it'll work. Oh, nope, nope. What happened? Yeah, it's 0. Oh, you didn't... Okay, if 0, go to this. Maybe that'll replace that? What? Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh, this is gonna be bad code. Oh no. There. Oh, that feels like cheating. Put it over here. If it's 0, or copy from. Crap. Take that away. Alright, we say we're at 0. We want that to just outbox, move on with life. It's negative. Bump it. Bump it. Then outbox it. Maybe? Oh, that was immediately bad. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, the code has gone wrong. It's gone wrong. Hang on, I need a... You start over here. Simplify this. Put in blocks. So, if it's negative, we're gonna do this. And we're gonna do that, and we're gonna jump over the block. That's it. If it's 0, we're gonna do none of that. We're gonna outbox it. That's a problem. If it's the first one's a 0, what do we do? Inbox, that's gotta happen. That's gotta happen anyway. How put you there? Inbox. This is a thing that needs to happen every time anyway. And then I guess if it's 0, just boop. I would like that to be part of the logic down here, but seems like that's not something that's going to happen. Maybe, actually? No, I need to copy it. Alright. Down here. We have that, and it's not 0. So negative, da-da-da, and then... outbox it? Will this work? Let's see when it gets to lower numbers. Oh, it works! That copy from seems extraneous. Oh, we got that perfect though. Oh, not very fast though. That's fine. Multiplication workshop. Oh yeah. Alright. I'm gonna predict that this green area is going to be the next stream, and that's gonna be the whole stream. Like the whole stream. So this isn't a very long game, but I might not be smart enough to do it. I do want to do these. Oh, I'm looking at them. Sort. I've never been good at sorting. That requires recursive stuff, and I've never been great at that. Fibonacci. Fibonacci is a like add from the last. We'll see when we get there. Yeah, this is not going to be a single stream game, though. Oh, I can finally have labels. Thank you. It seems like only yesterday we were learning about adding bond memories. We worked so hard back then. I hope you enjoy your new label maker. I, personally, prefer to label just about everything. Copy 2.4? What? What does that even mean? Just stick a label on it and you'll never need to use numbers again. I have also labeled my sandwich. So you now know which one not to eat. You're welcome. Alright, for each 2 things in inbox, multiply them and outbox the result. Don't worry about negative numbers for now. Thank you. Alright. Oh no, I can see how this is gonna go. I'm gonna have to count. I'm gonna have to bump down something to know where I am in position of multiplying. I have to take one number and keep adding itself over and over based on whether or not something has counted down to 0 or not. Oh no. Okay. We're gonna call this. We're gonna call this. Can I type? No. I was gonna. No, cannot. Apparently, one of those keys I pressed was the full screen. It's probably F. I was gonna do first number, and like, nope. All right. Well, we're gonna call this. Let's call it. Base. And we're gonna call this. There we go. Alright, so we're gonna copy to the base, and then we're gonna inbox again, and we're gonna copy to the molt. Alright, now we have our numbers. And we're going to... Yeah, sometimes it might be 0. Can we multiply by 0, though? Multiplied by 0 is always 0. I have to account for this. I could just put a case in there if either one of them are 0. Just output a 0. What am I outputting? Output the results. Yeah, we'll just... Oh, there's 0. Copy from here. Outbox that. This is just a small case that we need to be aware of. Like, it'd be fine if the base was 0. What if it's not? Ooh, what if it's not? You still run through the same things. Oh wait, if hang on. If the base is 0, we can still step through all the things we would need to. If the multi is 0, we just hang on the multi. The multi's already 0. Just go to the output. Otherwise, we'll do the stuff. Alright, we are going to... might need a temp. So unfortunately, the bump puts it in my hand. That is not what I want to do. We're gonna copy from the base. Oh, if it's 1 though. Alright. We're gonna bump multi. Copy it all also to the temp. We're gonna bump multi. If 0, we're gonna do a thing. We're gonna copy from the temp and outbox it. Otherwise, we're gonna do this stuff. Because this is, if we minus it, it's gonna be a, that means it was a 1. The last thing was a 1. That means we're just gonna use whatever was last, output that. So we're gonna, oh hey, it's snowing. We're going to copy from here. We're going to add from here. And then we're going to copy that to this. I put that in the wrong spot. There we go. And then we repeat. I suppose. I think this is good. Oh, and then I do it all over again. So this should be 20. They don't like that bump does that. Oh, whooped up, whoop. I see where we screwed up. There we go. Okay, you're not escaping this? Why? It didn't even do it right. Just gonna put a little divider right here. Why did that not work? Whoa, why did you do that? Oh. That should be right there, not... Okay. Maybe? Two. 6, so there should be 12. I'm gonna do it 6 times. Bumps it, sees it's at 0, grabs the temp, throws it in. There we go. All right, we are good. There's definitely probably better ways to do that. Putting in a case if they're both 0. 15 though. 109. Ooh, yeah, I don't think I did that. All right, we are getting rock. All right. I like that these are like little levels that have good pausing points. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do all this stream, but I am going to keep going as far as I can. I like to keep the streams 2 hours for now until I change my mind about that. So we'll keep going. 0 terminated sum. Yes, we believe in we believe in educating our employees on the job here. Do you know what 0 terminated string is? A 0 terminated string is? I do. It's a string that says it's over when there's a 0. Very old technique. We don't expect you to know it. So you may ask me about it if you like, or you may ask an external source. Whatever helps you get the job done. What is a 0 terminated string? Yes, I can tell you. A string is just a list of values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 4, 99, 2. But how do we know when the string ends and another string begins? We can mark the end of the string with something special, like a 0. Here are 2 0 terminated strings. 1, 2, 3, and 9, 8. See how that works? Sometimes a string can be empty. Here are 3 strings. Notice that the middle one is empty. So we have 1, 2, 3. 5. Okay. And yes, sadly, this all means a string cannot contain the number 0, since 0 means something special. Well, now we know. Back to work. Now we have other kind of special data or whatever to say it's the end of a string. All right, the inbox is filled with 0 terminated strings. What's that? Ask me, your boss. Yeah, add numbers together. Add together all the numbers in each string. When you reach the end of the string, marked by a 0. Put the sum in that box. Reset and repeat with each string. Okay, so are we going to bring it in? We are going to, if it's 0, we're going to copy from here. I doubt they're going to give me strings that don't have, well, they could give me an empty string. What do I even output there? Inbox. Bad, probably. Inbox, if it's 0. do that as the current thing. And then we'll... I need something like start this out. There. Call this cur for current. We'll call this for the sum of it, the sum. And we'll call this 0. Box. Or the current. If it's 0, copy sum. Now box that. And then reset. It's already like that. Current. Add sum, and then copy it to sum. And then do it again, I think. We do have 0 strings. Let's see what we do. But no, I need to put in a case for that, so if it's this, we're just going to jump over the outbox. Alright, this should be good. I don't want to see that. It is handling it, right? Yeah, do this. See, it's a 0. Yep. Let's put it away. Guys, a 0. Resets. It's like, oh, this is a 0. Resets. Yeah, it works. I'm sorry, what? Expected a... What do you mean expected a... I have to end it with a 0. Don't I? Wait. Whoa, 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 why did you do that? If it's 0, it's not. Add. Copy to sum. Jump. Inbox. Don't get the 0. Copy to current. If it's 0, copy from sum. Outbox. What do you mean expected a 0? I gave him a 3. Like this 6 and this 6 negate each other. This 8 and this 8 negate each other, but there's a 1 and a 3. What do you mean? Hang on. Let's get a fresh bash. What am I doing wrong here? Inbox 4. Yes. It's a 1. What is that? Copy. What do you mean you wanted a 1? You wanted a 0. How is it you wanted a 0? Four, 8. Am I not understanding the assignment? Add together all numbers in a string. When you reach the end of a string marked by a 0, put your sum. Repeat. Reset and repeat for each string. What? What am I doing wrong here? I wish there was just a pause. I guess this is pause. I'm resetting. Resetting. Alright, so we have a 7 and an 8. That's a -1. And then a 7. That's 6. Then a 3, that's 9. And -1, it's 8. Then an 8. That's 16. What am I doing wrong here? Hang on. Hang on. What am I doing wrong here? outbox to a 16 instead of a 0. But they don't equal 0. Oh. Oh, okay. I see where I went wrong. I see where I went wrong. This makes sense. I didn't quite understand this. So, I kind of had to look up, not a solution, but like an explanation. I can't show it in here, but some of there's like 0 with strings in there. I still need the sum of those, so I need to still output them. That's what's going wrong. I think it's just take that out and it's good. Yeah. I was thinking if it was empty, you skip it, but that's not what it said. It said the sum of all strings. It didn't, even if that sum was literally nothing, it still had a sum of 0. So that's my bad. That's my bad. I didn't think about that. That was, it could have been better. Is there anything I can cut from this, probably? I already have a copy. Oh, copy. I guess I don't need current. I don't copy it from anywhere. Yeah. There we go. Now trying that one. Fibonacci visitor. Year 22. Jeez. This backhaul is for advanced employees only. Are you sure you want to be here? These night assignments are optional, you know, and they are difficult. If you need to ask for help, I'll just be here looking through these catalogs for a golden spiral. What's a Fibonacci sequence? Each number in the sequence is the sum of the 2 numbers just before it. The first 2 numbers are 1 and 1, and so the third number is 1 plus 1 equals 2. The fourth number is 1 plus 2 equals 3, and the fifth number is 2 plus 3 equals 5. The sixth number is 3 plus 5 equals 8, and it goes on for a while, forever really. Shall we continue? Let's leave that as an exercise for you. Back to work. I was wondering how high you can actually get these numbers. I never tried. Maybe next stream I'll try that. For each number in the inbox, send it to the outbox the full Fibonacci sequence up to, but not exceeding that value. For example, if inbox is 10, outbox 1 with it. Okay. What's Fibonacci extra box or a friendly search box? But then they just list it out right here. For a while. Okay, so that didn't seem that bad. Is this worth trying to figure out right now? We got about 10 minutes left. Just real quick, copy that. Call it base again. And call this. Whoops. Or once again. This 0. I love the music of this game. Inbox copy to base. I'm gonna bump current. Oh, it's 0 though. Go to base. And let's do sub this. If it either of those things. Oh wait, I had to output each one, right? Okay, well, that means that's getting bumped once no matter what. We need to know the last two. You know what? I don't think I'm going to be able to do this in time because this is going to take some real big brain stuff. Really big brain stuff. There, these are gonna both be 1s, I guess, because it starts these out at 1. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this in the next few minutes. I kind of see how it's gonna go. I do see. Copy that to base. Yeah, here, make me not want to think about that. Copy from current, and we're gonna outbox it. And then we're gonna add. No. No, I don't have current anymore, so I gotta copy it. Current to that. And copy that too. Ah! Yeah, this is gonna be another stream. This is like we have this to go. Might be actually a couple more streams if I can't get through this very quickly. Yeah, that's gonna be it for this stream. I'm not smart enough to get that one done. It's just gonna take a lot of finagling, and I have to add the two numbers together. Save that new, take the second number, save it to the new first number, and then take that number I just added together and save that as the second number. And then compare that against the base, see if I've exceeded this or not. If I haven't succeeded, outbox the second number. Ooh. Yeah, it's gonna take a minute. And it's gonna take some annoying stuff. Jumps in this game are very annoying. I get that's like the old way of programming is jumps. But it is so annoying. I wish I could just have a loop with an escape clause of some kind. Maybe they added that in 7 Billion Humans, but in this game they didn't. It's just jumps. This is pretty old or low-level-y kind of programming. Don't even have functions. Don't have classes. A little too much, but objects. But yeah, it's a fun game. It's a fun game. If you haven't played it, play it. It's fun. It makes you think real hard. Makes you feel like an idiot, but in a good way. And then when you get it, oh, you feel like a genius. A genius! There's nothing better than feeling like a genius, in my opinion. But, yeah, next time we'll do more of these. See, I don't know if I can get to these things on the left. I hear these are really hard. So, I'll go as much as I can. If I can't, maybe another stream in the future I come back to it. Maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna get it as far as I can in these optional advanced things. If I can't do it, I'm sorry. I'm not smart enough. I learned programming that has loops that are easy to implement instead of these jump things, which are a tangled mess of spaghetti code. So, oh well. Whoa. Whoops, that was my bad. Alright, there we go. Sorry. Didn't mean to do that. Yeah, it is a good game. It's fun. I'm sure it's very cheap. It's also available on mobile. Android, at least. I don't know about iPhones or iOS, or are they even still calling it iOS? I don't know. I don't know Apple stuff. But yeah, it's a fun game. Go play it. It's good. Learn programming. And we can go up on this thing without learning a whole lot of that complicated stuff. This stuff is, again, advanced. Oh, and you can see my mouse. This stuff is normal. This stuff is advanced. I'll leave off on this. You're hired in the thrilling sequel. Oh? Oh, yeah, 7 Billion Humans. Alright, so that's it for now. Still haven't really figured out a stream. I'm kind of just doing it every 5 days thing, because it helps me remember, but following, keep a lookout for the next stream, and we'll do more Human Resource Machine. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.